you are really into your mood, and that's you. You know, this, I feel like you're more like, this is your zone.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So
Yes,
so I feel for all the songs that I listen to your songs, this is it. This is Ziggy way. And Ziggy ZIGGZ is coming up right now with a song. So the best part of the thing is you believe in your stuff, you keep continuing it, you love your music, you have passion for the music. So that's something that nobody can change it for you. Nobody can take it for you. So keep doing that. And tell me a little bit, what can the people expect right now? Because you're creating songs, you're making songs right now. So for further, like in the future right now, so coming up, what can we expect from Ziggy ZIGGZ?
Basically, right now, I dropped the video clip for From the Islands, but also I have a project on Spotify called From the Islands.
Okay.
And that project itself have 5 songs on it.
Like an EP?
Yeah, EP itself.
Okay.
So then basically those songs actually I think a little harder self. So if you want a longer song, you can get that. They have songs for women, have songs for a little, you know, hard vibe and all that. But basically it's on Spotify, you can get it there. You can find me anywhere, Ziggy ZIGGZ. You just search it up, you're gonna get it for sure.
But if I ask you to do this song longer, you can do that?
Of course, why not?
Because I think because you enter into the vibe, and the words and things like, you know, and it's something that people can sing along. So I can sing along with the song. I love it. I love it already, man. I like it, love it, and this is the tune. So and it's something that represents you too. So
sure, we from the island.
Yeah, man.
That's the key point of it, because I went and came back, but I ain't forget my roots, you know. I forget where I came from, really.
Nice one, nice. So when the people want to follow you right now, do you have your Instagram, your Facebook page? How they can reach you?
Everything that you can follow is literally just Ziggy ZIGGZ Official.
Ziggy ZIGGZ Official.
Ziggy ZIGGZ Official, you're gonna get me for sure. Or you can just search up. My real name is Aaron Hughes. So if you want to search me up on Facebook, you can just go Aaron Hughes. You're gonna get me for sure.
No, but I think Instagram is like the most
popping thing right now for sure.
Because I heard that they're gonna stop TikTok. And like 19th of January they're gonna stop it officially. I don't know how things gonna do or what they're gonna do, but that's in the States. But still, in the States is the main thing, you know, because it's like we share and share.
Exactly.
So, but for you guys, hey, I'm so glad that you're here. The treatment in Holland, how was it for you, for the musically industry, so for you to make songs?
To be honest, the treatment in Holland was always nice, always great, because everybody that I got, like, especially the people that I got to meet in Holland, were always supportive. And also I'm working on another project with a friend of mine called Domino from Holland. And we thinking about making something called Domino Effect because of his name. So definitely I shouted him out because he have to get it. He always helped, he always gave me praise, and he made me believe in myself a little bit more.
Stacks
went crazy. Stacks, the state called me for Stacks.
Yeah,
Stacks was one of them that if I really took my time and promote, I think Stacks could do a lot.
So you tell me you have the song, because now I'm gonna check it out right now. You have Stacks, but it's also short. What you do? You make it. You put the people in the vibe. I like the vibe, bro. I like the vibe, and you know, and you doing it, recording it. That's your house.
Yeah.
Boy, you do the background is like, you know, like into. It's nice. It's nice. Tell me a little bit about that.
Basically, I think the spot that we went, because I think it wasn't at the house. We actually went by, we had a spot. We just wanted to make something happen. So we said, let's go have some leisure time, and then let's make something happen. And then basically that what came out of it. And that one, she was the cameraman on. So she was killing it for me. So
she recorded you?
I telling you, we do everything almost by herself. Everything.
But she professional? But you know, that's a good thing, because you guys support each other.
Exactly.
You understand what, you know, and she understands your vision.
Yes, sir.
Nice man. But Stacks is good, boy.
Stacks is Stacks.
Everybody
like a couple of Stacks.
Yeah, man. But you have also a song London Bridge.
London Bridge is basically with a friend of me that's down here. So we still have to really go film that one.
Okay.
But we have to see which day.
But Okay, let me do this because this is 5 minutes. This is a long.
Yeah,
This is a long
because
version,
I'm my
but
friend.
if you can do, if you can, yeah, if you can do from the islands, 3 minutes, something like that. If you can do stacks, man, that's another level, bro.
No problem.
That's another level. That's really another level, bro. You got it, man. You got it.
Thank
You. It's not because you hear from me. I told you already. I told you. Hey, listen, it's nice. It's the way you put it in.
Yeah.
And I believe that this version 2, it's like introducing you to the people.
Yes.
From the island, you know, this is me. You know, the background, the way you recorded, the way you brought the style, you know, this is me.
This is just backyard. You know, they're just there.
Yeah.
Real.
Nice. It's raw. Nice. So Ziggy, for all those new upcoming, because you know we got a lot of new artists, Ruba has a lot of artists, a lot of talent.
Yes.
Your advice to them?
My advice to them is seek the information that you have to search for. Seek it, because maybe you won't get it here or there, but if you keep looking, you're gonna find it. You're gonna find the person that's gonna give you the whole map. Because it took me, look, I started from 11, so it took me a long while before I get something, but I'm happy that I get there nonetheless. It's the journey, not the end.
Exactly.
It's
Nice.
the journey.
Nice. So I'm waiting for that too. Huh? You sent me this little long song, but once again, I want to congratulate you, man.
Thank you.
It's a tune, so they know for sure I'm gonna play this tune. Everybody that just logged on to every day, so you want to request for the song, request it from the morning till late in the evening. So you gotta understand. So you call it for the song, you request it, you send us a WhatsApp. Or it's easy for you. Just one choice, just one drop. So just let me know you want to listen to the song Ziggy ZIGGZ from the islands. It's on Radio Cool FM. And once again, blessing and keep on doing what you're doing, bro.
Thank you for sure.
We got you, man.
Nice.
All right? We got it. Check it out, Radio Cool FM. Wat er in sintonia con ons. Check een interview. Hopi bom mês. Hopi bom mês. Bom novo perde. Essa aqui, se você quer interview mês, vou check ali para Facebook. Nós está live. Agora aqui para